How to fix email bounce back on Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you guys how can you fix email bounce back. So if you're having issue with the email, then what you could do is you could follow this simple method. To fix an email bounce back on Gmail, you could check for typos in the recipient's email. So whenever you're sending an email to a person or the recipient, you could always make sure to check the email address. If you have made an incorrect spelling, or if you have typed in your address as incorrect, then it could be an issue. So make sure to go ahead and check or review the recipient details before you actually go ahead and send the email. If this is the case, then you could go ahead and try fix and solve it as well. If that's not the case, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and then check for an update. Sometimes it might happen due to outdated versions, so go to the Play Store, on the search box type in Gmail and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, then what next you want to do is you just want to go ahead and clear the app's cache. For that, you want to go ahead and long press the Gmail application, go to this I button, then go to the storage and cache first of all and make sure to clear cache. After which, you also want to go ahead and make sure to force stop the application for a couple of seconds and then reinstall the application. That should be able to fix your issue. So sometimes it might be the server issue itself. So if you suspect your Gmail server might be causing the problem, you just can contact the email provider for assistance, or you could just go ahead and contact the support team. They should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix your email bounce back on Gmail. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.